Class 2 Subject Well Education. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So today I am going to start lesson number 2, Caring of Others. Caring of Others. Okay, first of all we will read this story. Okay.
Lesson 2, Caring of Others. Caring of Others. So, Seema study in class 2 in Kendriya Vidyalaya school. She is very good student. So, what is the meaning of good? Acha. So, she is excellent in study. Say the spelling of excellent. E-X-C-E-L-L-E-N-T. Excellent in study as well as in sports. So, Seema is study in class 2, okay, and she is excellent in study as well as in sports. She has many friends. She has many friends in her school, okay. She has always been her teachers. Favorite. So, favorite means liked most. Favorite means liked most. Say the spelling of favorite. 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 Okay. Seema goes to school every day. So, who goes to school every day? Seema. Seema goes to school every day. But she has been on a sick leave for the last 5 days because she has been suffering from viral fever.
Yes, now what? Seema studied in class 2. In which class she studies? Yes, she studies in class 2. In which school? Yes, in Kendriya Vidyalaya school. In Kendriya Vidyalaya school. Okay, and also Seema was very good student. Who was very good student? Yes, Seema. Seema was very good student and she was also excellent in studies also, okay, as well as in sports also she was very good and excellent. And also she has many friends. Who have many friends? Yes, Seema have many friends in her school, okay, and she has always been her teacher's favorite, okay, and Seema goes to school every day. Who goes to school every day? Seema. Seema goes to school every day. But she has been on sick leave for the last 5 days. Okay. So, Seema was suffering from viral fever. That's why she took a leave for 5 days. Okay. Now what happened? See.
Okay. Seema feels very boresome because there is no one to talk to her. So, who feel very bored? Yes, Seema. For her the day seems very long without her friend. She feels lonely. Lonely means alone, okay. Her father goes to his office and her mother is too busy with her domestic work, okay. There was only Moti, the dog. There was only the Moti, the dog. At her side, her only friend.
Yes, now what happened? Seema feels very bored. Who feel very bored? Seema, because there is no one to talk to her, because her father goes to office and her mother was doing domestic work. Her mother is too busy with her domestic work. Okay, there was no one to talk to her. That's why she feels very bored. Okay, now what happened? There was only Moti the dog at her side, her only friend. Okay, now what happened?
Not even a single friend has come to see me. Think Seema very sadly. No one has come even for a very short time. Who think like this? Yes, Seema. Perhaps my friends do not love me, mummy. Seema, you should not worry. Who said like this? Her mother. Her mother said, Seema, you should not worry, said her mummy, giving her vegetable soup.
Yes, now what happened? Seema was very sad. Why she was very sad? Because not even a single friend has come to see her, okay? And she talked to her mother, Mummy, no one come to see me, okay? But her mother told to Seema, you should don't worry, okay? And her mother giving her vegetable soup, okay?
The doctor has told her that she should take rest. Who told? Yes, the doctor has told her that she should take rest. In the meantime, her doorbell ring up. At this time, who could be there? At last, some has come to see her. She was Mrs. Srivastav, her class teacher. Okay, Mrs. Srivastav, her class teacher. How is the brave girl? Today, she asked. Who asked? Mrs. Seema's teachers asked, how is a brave girl today? How is a brave girl today? She asked, ma'am, I am feeling very boresome. I need to lie on my bed the whole day and night.
Yes, now what happened? Doctor told to Seema, you should take rest, okay? You should take rest. And now what happened? After some time, her doorbell ring up. What? Her doorbell ring up. At this time, who could be there? Seema thought. At this time, who could be there? Seema thought. At last, someone has come to see her. And she was who? Yes, Mrs. Srivastav. She was Mrs. Srivastav, her class teacher. She was Seema's class teacher. And she came to see her. Okay? And now what happened? Her class teacher told to Seema, how is the brave girl today? How is the brave girl today? Her class teacher told like this, and she asked to Seema. At the time, Seema told, ma'am, I was feeling very bored, and now I am feeling very bored. I need to lie on my bed the whole day and night. Seema was suffering from viral fever. That's why she took only bed rest. That's why she feel very bored. Okay. Now what happened? Seema's class teacher told, we will see.
You will be well very soon, okay, said her class teacher. Then she gave Seema a beautiful poem of her most favorite storybook. Seema inquired about all her friends and was surprised why none of her friends came to see her. Seema inquired about all her friends and was surprised why none of her friends came to see her. See dear, all you dear friends in the school have given their signature on this greeting card to give it to you, which they all have made for you, said the
Seema's
teacher.
class teacher told to Seema, don't worry, you will be fine very soon, okay? Now Seema told to her, Seema inquired about all her friends and was surprised why none of her friends came to see her. At that time, Seema's class teacher told, see dear, all your dear friends in the school have given their signature on this greeting card, okay? And to give it you, which they all have made for you, said the teacher. Seema's friend made a one greeting card for Seema, and every friend gave their signature and gave it you, Seema, her class teacher told. Okay, now what happened?
Seema humbly opened the envelope with great love and started reading the beautiful greeting card. We all are hopeful that you will get well soon. We miss you a lot all the time. These were the words which were written in the card. Seema's eyes were filled with pleasant tears. She was very happy to have a nice and caring class teacher and so many dear and loving friends.
Yes, now what happened? Seema humbly opened the envelope. Who opened the envelope? Seema. Okay, with great love and start reading the beautiful greeting card and thought you will get well soon. There in greeting card there will be written you will be get well soon. We miss you a lot all the time. These words are the words which were written in the card. Okay, Seema's eyes were filled with pleasant tears. Okay, she was very happy to have a nice and caring class teacher and so many dear and loving friends. You should also take care of your family, relative and friends. You should take care for others to make them better feel. Okay. God will help you if you care for other. Okay, caring for other may inspire other to be caring too. Understood? Hope you understood well. Thank you and have a nice day.